Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Photosynthesis rates change based on light and time, so let's analyze this graph quickly to find which statement actually matches the scientific data provided here.
First, look at the 100% light intensity mark on the horizontal axis. We need to compare the 60-day bars against the 75-day bars very carefully now. Notice that the bar for 60 days is clearly taller than the bar for 75 days at full intensity. This means photosynthesis was actually higher during the shorter treatment period. That observation perfectly matches option A. We can confidently say that 60 days of light outperformed 75 days at the highest intensity level shown. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given graph to find the right answer.